Hello and Namaste from India, and we are going to learn about an interesting remedy today, Calcarea iode. Calcarea iode is a very interesting remedy that we should know in today's times. Very useful, very useful in practice. The main genius of Calcarea iode, if I want to tell you, is especially in glandular pathology, especially in thyroid, PCOD, fibroids, adenoids, tonsillitis, especially chronic. Mainly, I use it in a very simple indication whenever I asked when did your thyroid problem start, and when they say it started from the time of puberty, this is a direct indication for me for thyroid, calcarea, iode, thyroid enlargement about puberty. So when it starts around the puberty hormonal time, that's when I know that this could be calcarea iode. It's a very important remedy, although it's a hot patient, calcarea, but very aggravated by cold wind. So headache from cold wind, catarrh, root of nose, polyps. So it's a very psychotic kind of remedy. Enlarged tonsils. Think about it. Very important for chronic cough, mucus, greenish expectoration, pneumonia also. Imagine, but more of chronic asthma. Think about it. Very important for varicose ulcers, and also for crusta lactea, that is eczema or skin related pathology of the scalp, and hair fall, so again related to thyroid here. Comes very close to agraphis nutans, which is for adenoids as well. And another remedy you should know is aconitum lycotonum, that you should know about also. But here I want to talk to you a little bit about the state of mind of calcarea iode. So one of the main important thing that I have seen about calcarea iode, a little bit I would like to share with you. It has symptoms of calcarea and iode. So it will have the insecurity, the fear, the need for comfort of calcarea. And it will also have a little fast-paced theme, a little desire for hunger, a little creativity, a little feeling of betrayal of iodine. So calcarea iode in that way. So one of the very important symptoms is change desire for. Calcarea a little bit is in a psychotubercular miasm, if I want to say. They have a lot of desires, like desire for electronic games, uh, uh, traveling. They like a lot. Interesting. One of the very important thing is they get very impatient while fasting. Although they also have love for nature, love for cars. Interesting. So there's a lot of love for finery and luxurious kind of life. That's a very important part of Calcarea iode. Although they are very optimistic, you can see music desire, movies desire. So a lot of this kind of strange phenomenon in Calcarea iode also. Uh, lot of anxiety also, anxiety about future, anxiety about you can see here, anxiety about trifles, smallest thing they get anxious about. Very importantly, lot of feeling that sometimes there's a feeling of ego also, but one of the main themes is delusion, betrayed. Very important feeling because that's the iodine phenomenon. And injured of being, there's a feeling that they will be starved, so there's a little insecurity about money, about finance, about they'll not even have food to eat. That's the feeling, delusion, starved, delusion, wealth. So on the other hand, there's also a feeling, oh, I'll have a lot of money. Interesting. They come across a little dependent people, and they can also be negative, despairing also at times. One of the main dreams is dreams of dead people, especially their family members, that affects them a lot. And dreams of ghosts also. They get the dream of getting shot by someone. It's a very interesting dream. And also they have a fear of unable to reach their destination, like lycopodia. Interestingly. Want of firmness, but desire firmness. So they are little insecure, and want of firmness also is there. Interesting. Massimo gives some interesting rubrics. Eating after followed by repentance is also there in Calcarea. There's a lot of panic attacks, and that's why they want to stay at home, interestingly. And a lot of desire for reading medical books. So they'll Google their illnesses a lot. That's typical for Calcarea also. Desire for chocolate, artichokes, milk, more or less. This is what I wanted to tell you about Calcarea iode. And It's very important for tumors of the breast also, nodular tumor, movable, so fibroadenoma of the breast, very important, also for thyroid. Aphthis also typically. Yeah, so this is a little bit about Calcarea iode, and I hope you found this interesting. And the other thing I want to tell you is I hope you're watching Materia Medica series every Thursday, 8:30 p.m. India time. And I also hope that you've pre-booked the new book, um, Art of Repertorisation, where I've spoken about different repertories. Kent, Nair, Patak, Boger, Bonninghouse, and it's a 750 pages book. I've spoken. There are more than 100 cured cases of all masters together, including my cases also. So I hope you pre-book the book and read it very soon.